Hello my friends, welcome back again on my channel. I am here again. If you are hungry, I have other open sandwich for you. And here is the ingredients what you will need. Let me open this for you. Will be very easy how to do. This is the ingredients what we are looking for. I miss the most important. This is canned fish. I will use today smoked trout fillets, but easy replaceable with sardine. I like to buy, if I'm buying, skinless and boneless because it's much easier work with that and it's much easier to eat. You are doing for you or for your friends, just try make it easy. Okay, let me start with everything. Let me wash vegetable and I will start working on it. Really very easy, trust me, and if you like fish, you will love it. Oh, sorry, I forget about something more. Let me find very quickly one more ingredients for you, and this is the mustard, and I'm using the gourmet mustard from Goals. You can easily buy in any local grocery. I buy this one in my local Rite store. Now is the time start to work on it. And also I forget about the bread, but bread is really yours. I pick for today really the rosemary olive bread, what I really like it. This is also buy in my local Rite store. And now it's time to start. Everything is clean and we can start. I forget to tell you about two more ingredients. We will need lemon, but it's only if you like it. And the other one is fresh dill. This is really same what I said before about the lemon. If you like it, it's definitely good and it's healthy for you. You have to wash very well because you will not cook that, and this is important. Let me start with that. First, of course, you have to open the can with this beautiful trout. This one is farm raised, but it's definitely working for it. It's much better than sardines, but it's really, both is really good. This is definitely no bad food. I'm sure it's healthy. After we have this, I will put inside some butter. Don't have to be too much. Something like that, and you have to mix that together. I don't like to mix too much because I like a little bit like chunky, and this means all the spread will have some beautiful texture. After that, we will put some mustard. I am doing this by the eye. You know, you can put it more or less, depends what you like it. And I put a little bit salt and some pepper, not too much, but I said it is really up to how you like it. Okay, when you have this, I will clean the red onion, but you can also use the white sweet onion. It's absolutely on you. You will not need really too much, and you have to chop it to really small pieces. It's really up to you how much you like. That depends how much you like the onion, and definitely it's important if you chop it to very small pieces. You can add how much you want. Be good if you You know, if you will do second time, you will find out if it's working for you or no. Let me put inside a little bit. Don't have to be too much, how I said. Just it's great for taste and also for the texture. And really, it was almost done. Now you can put it on the bread and after on the plate. I have to tell you, looks delicious. If you don't like fish, it don't smell really good, but if you like it, you know this will be really great snack, great lunch, even great light and healthy dinner. That's it. Oh my gosh, will be good with this. Will taste definitely good with this olive bread. And fresh, just bought it today. Let me put everything on plate and I will show it to you how it looks when it's everything together. I will chop it the dill because this is what I like to put on the top. You can just take some piece from the cubanella pepper and you can slice it to very small pieces and you can put it on the top because it looks great like decoration and it's really coming really well together with the bread with trout. That's it. This is done. And also, if you like the radish, it's really great for that, and not just like the decoration, but also great for the taste. And it's really everything, it's coming well with the fish and bread. Trust me, you will really love it. Onions, you can cut a little bit more this end, but it's eatable. It's really up to you. And that's it. Let me bring the plate. Start with decorating. Like first, I will use the dill. I already started with this one. Now you can see how it looks great, and I will do the other one with the cubanella pepper. You can put on the top some radish, which one, if you don't want on the top, you can put it on the side, because make looks everything more better for your eye. And that's it. It's really ready to go, and you can start eat. I hope so you like it today recipe, and I hope so will taste good, because it's really nothing too much what you can screw up with this one. It's really great open sandwich. It's good for watching TV, watching some movie, or if you're just hungry, just do it, and it's really very quick snack for you, or when some friends is visiting you. It's definitely good way how to don't stay hungry. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope so I will see you soon in my next video. Have a wonderful day or evening, depends. But thank you again, and let me take my lunch away from you. I will enjoy it right now.